Hello friends, good morning. How are you? Today I'm going to discuss about Windlas Biotech company, and as you know, the IPO of this company has recently come, and now it is already listed on the Indian bourse stock exchanges. And if I see this Windlas Biotech Limited as on 27th August, its share price has been around 349 rupees. So this IPO has already been listed on the stock exchange, and it has this current market price on 27th August. So I'm going to discuss about this Windlas Biotech company, and what is its business, how its IPO has come. This company was incorporated in 2001, and it is a leading company in pharmaceutical formulations, contract development and manufacturing organizations, in short CDMO. So the company is a pharmaceutical formulation contract development and manufacturing organization, and the company offers a range of CDMO services from product discovery to product development, licensing, and commercial manufacturing of generic products, including complex generics. So the company owns branded product in the trade generics and OTC market, over the counter market. And if you will see this currently the focus of the company is to launch complex generic products in the chronic therapeutic category related to lifestyle related disorders. And the company operates in three verticals. The first vertical is CDMO product and services. Second, domestic trade generics and over the counter market, nutraceutical and health supplement products. And third one, and the important one, is the export. Now coming to the different customers of this company, there are leading pharma companies like Pfizer Limited, Sanofi India Limited, Cadila Healthcare Limited, Mcure Pharmaceuticals Limited, Eris Lifesciences Limited, Intas Pharmaceuticals Limited, and Cystopic Laboratories Private Limited are its customer and takes product from Windlas Biotech. And so far as manufacturing facilities are concerned, it has its manufacturing facility located at Dehradun with the installed operating capacity of approx 7,000 million tablets or capsules, 54.46 million pouches and sachets, and 61.08 million liquid bottles. And now talking about competitive strength of biotech, Windlas Biotech. This is a leading market player in domestic pharmaceutical formulation CDMO segment, and its focus is on chronic therapeutic category. It has a state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, professional and experienced promoters and a senior management team, an innovative product portfolio of complex generic products, and robust financial performance track record. So these are the competitive advantages of this company. And coming to the promoters of the company, Mr. Ashok Kumar Windlas, Hitesh Windlas, Manoj Kumar Windlas, and AKW WBL Family Private Trust are its family promoters. Next, coming to the financial, company is financial. From the comparison will be from 31st March 2019 till 31st March 2021, and in 2019 it had almost 3,000 million this total assets, and in 2021 it came to 2961. almost 3000 crores. So asset has been almost stagnant, no fresh investment or reduction of the asset has been there. Total, talking about total revenue in 2019, the revenue was approx 3000 million, which increased to 4.3 thousand million in 2021. And as you can see, the profit after tax has been in decreasing trend. From 2019 it was 638 million. In 2020 it became 162 million, and profit after tax in 2021 was approx 156 million. So you can see the profit after tax is under pressure, and while revenue has gone up, its profit after tax has gone down. And so far as object of the issue is concerned, its object is for capacity expansion, for working capital requirement of the company, a repayment of certain borrowings, loans, and general corporate purposes. Now coming to one more important thing is the time schedule of this IPO was: IPO opened on 4th August, ended on 6th, allotment was on 11th August, and initiation of refund was started on 12th August. On 13th there was the credit of shares in the demand, and lastly the IPO listing was on 17th August. So this IPO has been listed in this month also itself. And coming to its price band, this was a book built issue IPO, and its face value was 5 rupee per share, and IPO price was in the band of 448 to 460. But now you can see the current market price has gone down to 348. So depending upon your research, analysis, and data gathering, you can make your own mind, own investment decision without any recommendation of anyone, whether you can enter in this Windlas Biotech company or not. And the market lot at that time was 30 shares. So all those informations I am just discussing with you. The minimum lot was comprising of one lot, of course, and the shares will comprise of 30 shares, and amount would be 13,800, and maximum lot was 14 lots, and the number of share 420, and the amount that amounted to 1,93,200. So these were the major information. And so far as subscription status is concerned, QIB subscribed approx 24 times, NII subscribed approx 16 times, retail investors subscribed approx 24 times, and overall it was subscribed almost 22 times. Being exact, 22.44 times was the subscription. Since this IPO came in the price band of 448, so I'm saying I'm of this view that this company should be further studied. Its annual report as well as prospectus, red herring prospectus, DRHP, all should be read in such a manner that you should arrive at a logical investment conclusion that the IPO came in the price range of 448 to 460. Is it a right time to invest in Windlas Biotech at the rate of 348? So this is the question that you have to ask yourself, and try to get this answer from your study, your research, your analysis, your investigation. And once you are convinced that yes, company is good, financial is good, everything is good, then you can go ahead with your investment. But first you should do your own research. So I think I am not giving you any recommendation. I am simply sharing some data about this company with you, and request you to make your own research and make your own mind. Hope you will enjoy this video. In case you have enjoyed this, you can share it with your relatives and friends, and you can give your like to it. Thank you very